Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, August 8. Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw has announced an increase in the cocoa price payable to farmers. The price per box will move from $2,600 to $3,000. Minister Shaw made the announcement on Monday during the 67th Annual Denby Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show in Maypen, Clarendon.
The price has gone up, but we're not stopping there. We have to grow more, and the same thing with our coffee as well.
He also announced that the current measures being implemented to manage and control the outbreak of the frosty powder rot of cocoa disease would be revamped. This includes placing a stop on the current process of pruning the cocoa plants, which destroys approximately 90% of the tree.
I have ordered it stopped. Stopped. You know why? Because there is technology elsewhere, including Colombia, and since I ordered it stopped, I sent a team to Colombia. They pruned the tree no more than 10%, and they have found a way to control the frosty powder disease.
More work is underway this year to build and expand schools in order to eliminate the shift system and relieve overcrowding.
Already started this year are the following schools that are being attended to: the Cedric Titus High, the Exchange All-Age School, Mushet High, Albert Town High, Old Harbor High, and Friendship Primary.
Minister Carl Samuda, who was giving his sectoral presentation in Parliament recently, said all schools would be removed from the system by 2024. To end the shift system in the remaining 37 schools, he said 13 of them would require expansion, while 10 new high schools and 7 primary schools were needed. In the meantime, government is this year recruiting more special education teachers to meet the growing needs of students with special needs. In addition, $1.2 billion has been allocated to the Special Education Unit, which makes provisions for students with various physical and learning impairments.
The Special Education Unit operates a Braille and large print program which reproduces print material for persons who are blind or visually impaired, which is an enormously important program. Large print services are also available for students who have deficiencies in vision in regular schools.
Students with special needs are educated in the general school setting or in public, grant-aided or independent special education institutions. Support is also given to community-based organizations that offer early intervention and community-based rehabilitation to students with disabilities. The Consumer Affairs Commission is urging persons to be diligent in their back-to-school shopping. Communication specialist at the Commission, Dorothy Campbell, says while going the route of one-stop shopping is convenient, it is not always the best way. She was speaking on JIS's Current Affairs program, Get the Facts, recently.
The first thing that the Consumer Affairs Commission advises parents to do is to shop at home first. So you do your research at home, because going out to shop means that you would have done your comparative shopping. You've already located the best prices, where you're going to buy what.
Ms. Campbell says the Consumer Affairs Commission is currently preparing its annual textbook survey. This includes going through the approved list from the Ministry of Education to ensure it matches book lists that are issued by schools.
Or field officers or survey officers go to the bookstores to verify availability and price. Once we have done that, we then determine the publication. It will be published partially on our website at www.cac.gov.jm, and we are hoping to partner with some publications to ensure that consumers are able to get that. But we say to parents, they can call us.
Improvements to the Ministry of Labour and Social Security's offices and facilities are far advanced. The work is being undertaken on several of the ministry's locations to provide greater accessibility and comfort for internal and external clients. It includes the construction of a new office in St. Anne, which is on track for completion in December. Minister of Labour and Social Security Shahini Robinson says drawings for the renovation of the NIS office at 18 Ripon Road has also been finalized and the contract will be put to tender shortly.
The main offices of the Labour Division of the Ministry is located at 1F North Street. The building was in need of extensive repairs on the exterior. Those repairs are almost completed.
Work is also progressing on the Overseas Employment Center on East Street and a new arm of the Industrial Disputes Tribunal in St. James.
I'm pleased to report that a lease has been signed and the contract for the renovation has also been signed. IDT West will soon become a reality.
Minister Robinson was delivering her sectoral presentation in Parliament recently. And finally, Minister with Responsibility for Gender Affairs, Olivia Grange, says the model of the Women's Centre of Jamaica Foundation has been successfully studied and replicated in several countries, including Kenya, Guyana, Grenada, and St. Kitts and Nevis. She made the disclosure on Monday during a tour of the facility with First Lady of Kenya, Her Excellency Margaret Kenyatta, and wife of the Governor-General, Lady Allen.
With such an impressive rate of success, the Women's Centre of Jamaica Foundation has been recognized worldwide as an international best practice. The United Nations Population Fund in 2013 State of the World Population Report praised the Women's Centre of Jamaica Foundation as a great example of Jamaica offering to the world, and I quote, a model for preventing adolescent pregnancy and supporting young mothers.
First Lady Margaret Kenyatta commended the Women's Centre for helping approximately 46,000 teen mothers complete their secondary education.
This institution is indeed a true model for learning and replication. I know that keeping our girls in school directly lowers the rate of maternal mortality. It also protects the girls who are most vulnerable from the new emerging issues of adolescent HIV.
The tour was part of the itinerary of Mrs. Kenyatta, who joined her husband, Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta, on a 3-day state visit to Jamaica. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.